In today's fast-paced business landscape, digital transformation is the key to staying ahead of the curve. For enterprises, achieving a seamlessly hyper-connected ecosystem is key to unlocking true operational efficiency. Today, enterprises are connecting billions of devices to make processes and experiences smarter and efficient. However, the complexity of configuring, managing, and monitoring countless IoT devices and applications often hinders rapid scalability. Tata Communications IoT Fabric drives digital transformation by delivering a unified orchestration layer, a single pane of glass for effortless management of systems and networks. Tata Communications IoT Platform transforms industries, whether in manufacturing, smart cities, retail, or logistics. Our IoT platform connects millions of devices, enabling you to monitor, analyze, and optimize operations from a single platform. Our platform accelerates your IoT journey by cutting device onboarding, configuration, and reporting timelines from months to days or minutes. With plug-and-play architectures, low-code platforms, and pre-configured templates, we help you achieve faster time to value and focus on innovation. The platform enables intelligent multi-network, multi-protocol ecosystem, effortless device management for millions of devices, application enablement through powerful API libraries, data enablement for AI/ML-powered smart decision-making. Tata Communications IoT Platform can help simplify the complex IoT ecosystem, reducing total cost of ownership by up to 30%, enhancing revenue by approximately 10%, while slashing time to market and system complexity by up to 50%. From enhancing experiences in giga factories to enabling predictive maintenance in manufacturing and unlocking smart city potential, our IoT platform adapts to your business needs. Tata Communications IoT Platform provides real-time insights, track assets, predict issues, automate processes, and make faster, informed decisions. With Gen AI-enabled natural language queries, extracting actionable insights is seamless. Tailored use cases keep you ahead with end-to-end services that deliver results and support your growth. Step into the future with Tata Communications IoT Platform, simplifying complexity and accelerating your IoT journey. Unlock the full potential of IoT and lead the way into a smarter, more connected world. Contact us today to empower your business.